Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I tell you what, we have got the next in the RMX series from Worksharp. We're taking a look at the Madrone. Now, the Madrone gonna release June 5th, of course, to coincide with Late Show Atlanta. Signups are available on the website. I'll leave a link down below. You guys can go check it out. Notification for when it goes on sale. But this one, I think the clip point fans may enjoy this one. Now, I tell you what, Worksharp has reached some pretty big milestones. They've opened Worksharp manufacturing in Oregon, and that just gives them more capability in-house. The big one being these handles. Aluminum handle. This is the copper suede. That's what they're calling this one. I'm kind of digging this color, actually. It looks kind of cool. But these handles, aluminum, integral, by the way, are machined in Oregon. Now, the knives are assembled, finished, and sharpened in Oregon. Now, they use both U.S., domestic and foreign parts. But the cool thing is these handles are machined right there in Oregon. So very, very cool. Now, not a lot of difference between the previous RMX knives and this one, with the exception of, like I said, this one is a clip point version. And the machining is done the fit and finish is absolutely fantastic. They've done a very, very good job making all the right parts smooth and no hot spots on anywhere on this knife. Now you can see the button does protrude a little bit. Now this one is it's an RMX. It's fully convertible. You can convert it to auto. This one is not. I have not converted this one. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to convert it or if I'm going to leave it and give it away. You know what I mean? You take a wild guess at what's going to happen. But anyway, you've got all the parts right here in the box. You got your tool. You got your pivot. You've got all the piece parts right here. And it's hard to grab looking through the camera. But there you go. You got bearings, O-rings, springs, all the good stuff. So it's fully convertible, just like it's an RMX knife. So there you go. But now you've got black, you've got this copper suede, and then there's a blue. It's called blue titanium. It's an aluminum handle, but the color is blue titanium. But again, very, very well done. Now, yes, I have said many times I'm not crazy about button open knives. Of course, it is locked shut. You have to actuate the button to get it out or even to pull it out. It's not going to work. And I get the idea because of the conversion to auto. Totally understand. So I'm willing to let it slide. But there you go. There is your M390 clip point blade. You got the Worksharp logo right there. There you go. 2305 model number. There it is, M390 right there. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I am digging the look of this one. Of course, I do like the drop point the best. Of course, that's just me. But overall, it's a really, really good looking knife. Deep carry clip. Absolutely, very, very cool. Now, let's get a little spec check going on here. So you're pushing 7 3/4, maybe just a hair shy. Again, handle almost 4.5. Gonna give you right about a 3 1/4 inch blade as I measure it. Cutting edge is going to be shy of that 3 inch limit that a lot of people have. It's about 2 7/8-ish, maybe 2.8. Pretty close. And then your grip length, point to point, about 3 3/4. So I have just a little bit left over. Now, I have to say, these RMX knives feel so good in hand. And this aluminum, my thumb will slip a little bit, but other than that, they've got great grip. I love the width, and it just fits in my hand so very nicely. So let's get the comparisons out of the way. There you go. Try to do it kind of pivot to pivot as best I can. It's a big old pivot. RMX, a little bit bigger on the blade, not by a lot. And on the handle, quarter-ish of an inch, maybe an eighth on the blade. And then there is the PM2 coming in just a little bit larger than almost, about a quarter of an inch on the blade. And then you're pushing a half inch on the handle. So definitely bigger. The thing that's crazy about these things is the weight. I mean, yeah, it's an aluminum handle. I mean, it's got some weight to it. So 93 grams, 3.3 ounces, so not too bad. Not bad. And then, of course, in the pocket, you have... Oh, there, I missed it. I can't do it behind the camera. There we go. It is very nice in and out of pocket. Absolutely. And it disappears. No real peekaboo coming out of the pocket. It's a little... I'd say it's a little lighter than Ultimate for me. I don't know, that pop coming out of the pocket is just... I don't know, it's reassuring to me. It's not going to come out of your pocket. I mean, we can play the bounce on your head game and see what happens. See, bounce, 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 bounce. See, we're bouncing on our head. Yeah, it really didn't go anywhere. So, if you got to try to do that, at least I'm not hammering on it or anything like that. But, overall, again, I have thoroughly enjoyed the RMX series. I think this series of knife is an absolutely fantastic idea because there's a lot of places that you cannot ship automatic knives to. Well, it's not an automatic knife. It's a button lock or button operated knife. Once it gets to you and you decide whatever you want to do with it, those of you that are in those states, I know New York is a big one. Can you get these knives shipped to you? I know I don't think SMKW will ship an auto to New York. I don't know about some other, I've heard people say, I think it's SMKW for sure that won't ship auto knives to New York just because you can't have them. But hey, you know what? It's not an auto right now. So there you go. But I am thoroughly enjoying these thin blades. Are absolutely incredibly slicey. Go check out if you haven't already, go check out the initial edge test. It's it does well. So there you go. But thanks, guys. A huge shout out to Worksharp for sending this one out, giving me the opportunity to help get the word out. Absolutely appreciate it. And of course, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Remember, it drops for sale June 5th. Blade Show Atlanta opens the 5th as well. They're coinciding, of course. They always go. And they open up at $180. That's what they're selling for. So, appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, we'll talk later. Bye-bye.